Hi, my dear children. Welcome back to our maths class. Today, I am going to continue our chapter part number with a new topic equivalent fractions or parts of different forms. Equivalent fractions are the fractions with same values but with different numerators and denominators. Children, look at this figure. Here, this circle is divided into 4 equal parts. And now it is cut into 2 equal parts. Then each part is equal to 2 by 4 of the circle. It may be called as half of the circle or 1 by 2 part of this circle. Here, 4 equal parts are marked on 1 meter long string. How long is each part? Each part is equal to 1 by 4 meter. Let's cut out 2 pieces as shown below. What is the length of each piece? Each piece is equal to 2 by 4 meter, or it may be called as 1 by 2 meter or half meter. Now look at this first circle above here. The colored part of this first circle is equal to 1 by 3. Then the next second circle, the colored part is equal to 1 by 6 part. Suppose we color 2 parts of the second circle. Then what is the colored part here? The colored part is equal to 2 by 6. Look at these pictures carefully. The colored part of these two circles became equal. Then 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 6. We can say that the equivalent fraction of 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 6. Here, this circle is divided into 6 equal parts. Can you say the shaded part here? Yes, it is equal to 3 by 6 part. From this picture, we can say that 3 by 6 part is equal to half of the circle. Therefore, 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Here, these circles are divided into 8 equal parts. These pictures shows the part colored 2 at a time. That means we have to pair these circles with parts of 2 each. On pairing, the total number of pairs of 2 each becomes 4. In the first circle, the shaded part is equal to 2 by 8. Here, 2 parts form 1 pair and 8 parts form 4 pair. Then 2 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. In the next circle, the shaded part is equal to 4 by 8. After pairing the parts 2 at a time, we can find the equivalent fraction of 4 by 8 as 2 by 4, or it may be called as 1 by 2. Next question. Here, the shaded part of this circle is equal to 6 by 8. After pairing 2 at a time, the equivalent fraction of 6 by 8 is equal to 3 by 4. Here, a circle is divided into 12 equal parts using a set square. In each picture below, some of these are colored. Write under each the part colored as a fraction in 2 different ways. First question. The shaded part of the circle is equal to 3 by 12. Let's divide the circle as 4 pairs of 3 each. Then the equivalent fraction of 3 by 12 is equal to 1 by 4. Now in the second circle, the shaded part is equal to 2 by 12. We shall pair the circle as 6 pairs of 2 each. Then the equivalent fraction of 2 by 12 is equal to 1 by 6. Now in the third circle, the shaded portion is equal to 4 by 12. Now pair the circle as 3 pairs of 4 each. Then the equivalent fraction of 4 by 12 is equal to 1 by 3. Now in the fourth circle, the shaded portion is equal to 6 by 12. Now we shall pair the circle as 2 pairs of 6 each. Now the equivalent fraction of 6 by 12 is equal to 1 by 2. In the fifth circle, the shaded portion is equal to 9 by 12. Now we shall pair this circle as 4 pairs of 3 each. Now the equivalent fraction of 9 by 12 is equal to 3 by 4. Next, the last question. The shaded portion is equal to 8 by 12. We shall pair this circle as 3 pairs of 4 each. Now the equivalent fraction of 8 by 12 is equal to 2 by 3. Is it clear for you? That's all for today, children. We shall continue our class in the next day. Okay, thank you.